Abnormal noise, vibration in water-cooled chillers often stems from key issues. Loose components, like fan blades, motor mounts, or pipe brackets, create rattling. Tightening or replacing fasteners fixes this. Worn compressor parts, bearings, valves, cause grinding, screeching. Timely lubrication or component replacement is critical. Imbalanced water flow, e.g., clogged pipes, faulty pumps, leads to humming, vibration. Flush lines or repair pumps to restore flow. Air in the refrigerant circuit generates gurgling. Bleed air per manufacturer guidelines. External factors, e.g., uneven flooring, also trigger vibration. Level the chiller base. Promptly addressing these prevents further damage, ensuring safe, efficient operation.